Hey guys, I'm with Megan. We're having brunch right now. We're having a little iced coffee.
Cheers.
And I'll show you guys what we get to eat. But we just literally walked around East Nashville for like 20 minutes trying to find coffee. And it was just a really humbling experience, to say the least, with my direction skills.
We know the area now.
Yeah, so if you're coming to town, let us know. What we're wearing today, in case you guys wanted to know. Guys,
the quality on this is too good. I know. You can see my eye.
I know, I'm like, okay, gotta fix the vlog hasn't seen you in forever.
I know, it's been like over a year for sure.
I have a sty in my eye if you can see it. We're not gonna look at that. Just disclaimer. Yeah. So anyway,
actually,
yes, here with Brooke.
Brooke edited an eye patch on her, please.
Yes, Brooke can do that.
Well, just right there.
She has talent.
But we're at Frothy Monkey. We got chai with oat milk. And
I got a golden milk latte.
Sounds delicious.
So it's turmeric, cinnamon, and honey.
And oat.
What?
Oat?
Oat milk. Yeah,
Oh.
you guys try it. Good.
It's good.
Reaction.
Here we see it out.
Live reaction on camera.
Reaction on camera.
I'm like, no, live reaction. It's delish. It's so hot.
Let me try yours.
Temperature wise,
Literally like
burn myself.
Burn. And we had burger up.
Oh yeah, we had burger up.
So bad.
So good. Yeah, but that's
So
it.
good.
Trying chai.
Or I'm trying. Yeah, I'm trying chai. Let's see. Good. Try.
It's just, you like yours better?
Try. You want me to hold for you to try? No, you ready? It's hot.
Oh
I like
my
mine
god,
better.
it's
but
so
yeah.
hot.
I got honey in
I like
it,
yours
though.
better. Yep. Okay, bye. Hi guys. I'm with Ashlyn. Look at our outfits. We're very aquamarine tonight.
Yes, unintentional. Well, we were trying to match, but not the color really.
Definitely be aquamarine-ish though. Like we're going to the last splash, but we went to Zara. Did a little damage. You did a lot of damage. We should. Let's do a haul.
Okay.
This is what I got, guys. I got a new dress. This I saw last minute, and I ran back into the dressing room after I had already got dressed and walked all the way to the register. It's so cute. It fits really nicely, and I cannot wait to wear it. And then I got a new pair of shorts. Their shorts fit so good, and I don't know. I have some similar to it, but these I just thought they're so clean and just.
I like the length of them too.
I do too.
They're like a little bit longer, but they're not like the full.
Like your butt's not out.
Yeah.
But you still look like a 90s
They fit
cool
so
queen.
nice.
They really do. But then I just got this basic like black crop top. It's super tight, and I got a low-rise like skirt. I think I want to pair it with this weekend. So
Super cute.
that's what I got.
Okay, I walked in there and I literally told Brooke, I was like, I'm coming just to hang out with you. I'm not buying anything. And I bought a lot.
You bought like twice as much as I did.
So fun of me.
You popped off.
I really haven't shopped in a while. Okay, so I got like these little cargo pants. This, you literally cannot tell at all what I'm trying to show you right now.
Though.
But they are really cool. They're like super loose fitting, super low rise, super cute. I had it with this white top.
That one's so pretty on.
Let me try to put it together. So beautiful. It makes me look insanely flat chested, but we're gonna do a little tape action.
Yeah.
We're gonna do something like that. Then I got this.
This I'm obsessed
I
with.
really love this. It's a little bit bigger than what I wanted, but they didn't have an extra small because like I wanted it to be like a little bit shorter right here so I could wear something like low-waisted. But
cut it.
So
It's so pretty.
that's a great idea.
Look
Yeah.
at this.
Ding ding ding. This one is like my favorite.
The color.
It's
So good.
so beautiful. It goes like all the way up, and then it ties in a little bow, so it's an open back.
So pretty.
So cute. They had it in white too, but me and Brooke agreed.
You were so torn.
Me and Brooke agreed the green would be
green
more
was
fun.
it.
So
It really
that's
was.
what we did.
But we're about to go pick up some tacos from Bar Taco. I'm really excited. I mean margaritas. Yeah, we're gonna watch the movie and make bracelets and candles And
we're making candles?
We are seashell candles.
How did I not know that?
I don't know, it was on the invite.
Oh my god, I'm the worst guest.
We've secured the tacos. And now we're gonna go watch AQUAMARINE.
I did not realize you were talking this whole time.
Guys, we just got back. This is what we're having for dinner. Got some chicken tacos, and then there's 2 types of salsas. I don't know which one this one is.
The hotter one?
I don't know.
Oh.
One's green and one's red. But
That one's probably hotter?
maybe. We're gonna make some bracelets or anklets or something with these cute little beads. And I made margaritas, so we're just waiting for Megan to get here. Hello, it's us. We're going to the Bobby Hotel. We're going to watch a little concert on the rooftop.
Get a little drink.
A little drink. I really want an Aperol Spritz so bad. Or do I want a margarita?
I'm gonna get a margarita for sure.
I don't know which one I want. Megan, what are you getting?
I'm gonna get margarita.
Well, now I feel like I need to get a margarita.
Yeah.
Everybody's getting a margarita. It's gonna
Getting
be
a
odd
little
one out.
snacky snack.
Yeah.
I need to look to see what they have.
Our Uber is coming in 1 minute.
I feel like I want to take a cute photo of this. Okay, we'll see you guys when we get there. I'm back with Jess.
Got it, Marks, but
But tell them what you did.
I'm a vodka girl now, so I asked them for vodka in mine.
And I got
Brooke
regular.
tequila.
Yeah.
So
Here we go.
this tastes like perfume. Oh, what's up?
As
They're
usual.
playing Lizzo.
And Miranda. Guys, we're at the farmer's market and we just got these crepes. What are they?
They're Russian crepes filled with eggs and cottage cheese, and you get to dip it in sour cream.
So good.
So good.
I'm actually amazed. And I got
was
a strawberry lemonade. It's pretty good. But we're gonna go get coffee in a minute. And I'm really excited for that because I need a coffee so badly right now.
I feel like I need a coffee.
I'm like still half asleep. I went to bed like so late. I could not fall asleep for anything. We got toast.
Okay, now we're at Luma. We got the lemon mascarpone cheese toast with, looks so good, with pistachios. I got the Coco Loco or Loco Coco, something like that. It's just like a coconut iced coffee with all the coconut stuff.
Looks so good. I got
don't even know what
a
Brooke got.
caramel latte with oat milk.
So original.
Yum. Coffee was so good. Wow, it's so humid out. The whole entire camera just like fogged up.
Oh god.
That's how you know we're in Louisiana. Okay, you still can't even see me. That's how bad it is. Well, we're going to batter. We're going to get some little treats.
Alright, we just went to batter. I got just the chocolate chip cookie and a red velvet cupcake.
So good.
So delicious. It's got like a cream cheese frosting.
That's amazing. And then I got a red velvet cupcake and then a
Golden birthday.
Golden birthday. It's so cute. So excited about this. Wow. I cannot wait to have this. Guys, we came to Carrot on Columbia and I got an iced honey lavender latte. And you got regular coffee.
Regular drip
Nice. guys. We're at A Quarter Two Sisters. We just got our first plate out of many.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so much food. They have a cute little live jazz band playing, and we ordered mimosas and a drink 75, and it feels so nice out. So super, super pumped about this.
I was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.